Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Buy side liquidity grabbed. You know, the thing is, in a bull market, it's very difficult to predict a reversal because this thing keeps pumping and pumping and pumping. Most of the bearish TA doesn't play out, but based on my knowledge and what I'm expecting now for BTC is that we came for buy side liquidity. A crazy pool of liquidity. Actually, it's a 786 retracement, so I'm expecting downside for BTC. We have to check what's going on now. It's now Monday 21st of July. Actually, we're entering the last week of the month, so we can expect something. Actually, the second week and the third week are the best weeks to trade. This is a bull market, where we saw a lot of upside, so it should be nice, or it should be healthy to see a retracement and give other people a new opportunity to jump in this craziness, actually, right? So guys, quick update on BTC. I want to show you guys in this video what you can expect for the coming days. I want to show you guys what you can do or what you need to do if you want to level up your trading. Follow me on X because I keep you guys updated there, real time, in the Telegram group, in the Discord group. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let me get rid of all these Fibonacci retracements here. And what you can see is that BTC came for buy side liquidity, right? If you go to the 1 hour, you can see that there was a sort of bear flag here where a lot of traders putting their stop losses and long positions, putting their take profit limit orders, right? So what you can see now on the 50-minute is that we become a sort of bearish now. Right, go to the 7-minute, you can see it more clear. You can see that we have a bearish divergence. We broke the 200 on the RSI. So what you can see now actually is that we're heading to crazy resistance. This can also figure as a daily top on Monday, right before New York time. Actually, it's now 4 o'clock in the morning, so New York wakes up in 3 hours. So what they can usually do is that they're creating a sort of premium market to eventually dump on retail, right? So guys, be careful with long positions. We're heading to major resistance, and what you want to see actually to enter a new long position is that BTC closes a candle above this 786, right? Above 119.7k. So what you actually want to see is that BTC breaks the 786, comes down, closes a candle above the 786 to eventually jump here in on a long position to catch the ride up. If we do not, if we reject, then we have to wait for a new long position. The suggestion is not to go short in a bull market. So if you miss an entry, don't chase green candles, buy red candles if you want to go long, and just be patient. Actually, that's the message. If you want to level up your trading, you can go to the link in this description of this video, and you can choose between Discord and Telegram. Discord is more based on education, also a lot of signals and a lot of entries I post there and my team, but same as Telegram also. If you want to upgrade to premium, you have to sign up to one of these affiliate links like BINGX or MEXC. The suggestion is MEXC because the bonuses are more, and they just launched a new competition actually for elite traders, but you can only participate this competition if you are a referral of the crypto gainers. So guys, again, with that said, BTC short update on Monday. Expect a reversal actually to come down to fill up this gap. We have to see what's happening on this pool of liquidity here. If we have a reaction to see more upside, if not, we will see more downside to eventually fill up this fair value gap. gives a lot of people more time to enter a long position now, because you know you don't want to enter here on this resistance level. So again guys, thank you all for watching. You know, follow me on X, stay updated, join the crypto gainers, link in description, and stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.